and welcome to Mihar Home Decor. In this video, we see the top 100 modern patio backyard design ideas for 2023. Subscribe to the channel, like, and share the video. We will take you on a journey of inspiration and showcasing the latest trends and innovative ideas for designing your patio backyard. Our aim is to provide you with a wealth of options, from furniture placement to landscaping, to help you create a stunning outdoor oasis that will be the envy of your friends and neighbors. Outdoor dining. We begin our video with a focus on outdoor dining spaces. Experience the best quality visuals and insights on how to design a comfortable and inviting area for entertaining guests and enjoying meals al fresco. From elegant dining tables and chairs to creative lighting solutions, we'll showcase a range of ideas to suit different aesthetics and lifestyles. Number 2, lounge areas. Next, we explore the concept of creating cozy and inviting lounge areas in your patio backyard. Discover the best quality visuals and insights on how to arrange seating arrangements, incorporate comfortable cushions and throws, and select the perfect outdoor furniture to create a relaxing and stylish space for lounging and socializing. Number 3, fire features. In this segment, we dive into the world of fire features that add warmth and ambience to your patio backyard. Through the best quality visuals, you'll see a variety of fire pit designs, outdoor fireplaces, and even fire bowls that can create a focal point and extend the usability of your outdoor space into the cooler months. Number 4, poolside perfection. If you have a pool in your backyard, this segment is for you. We'll showcase the best quality visuals and insights on how to design a poolside area that is both practical and visually appealing. From lounge chairs and umbrellas to poolside bars and outdoor showers, we'll provide you with ideas on how to create the perfect space for relaxation and recreation. Number 5, landscaping and greenery. No patio backyard is complete without beautiful landscaping and lush greenery. Our video will showcase the best quality visuals and insights on how to create a harmonious balance between hardscape features and plantings. Learn about different plant varieties, landscaping techniques, and even vertical gardening ideas to transform your outdoor space into a serene oasis. Number 6. Outdoor kitchens and grilling stations. For those who love to cook and entertain outdoors, this segment will inspire you to create the ultimate outdoor kitchen or grilling station. Experience the best quality visuals and insights on how to design a functional and stylish outdoor cooking area, complete with grills, countertops, sinks, and storage options that make outdoor entertaining a breeze. Number 7. Lighting and ambience. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating a welcoming and inviting atmosphere in your patio backyard. Discover the best quality visuals and insights on how to incorporate different lighting techniques, such as string lights, lanterns, and spotlights, to enhance the ambience and extend the usability of your outdoor space well into the evening hours.